Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning the letter Ha, one of the throat letters in Tajweed. Where does it come from? Throat letters are produced in the vocal tract, deep, middle, and upper throat. Ha comes from the ha, middle of the throat. Let's see first. This is our board. I'll draw here. Okay. This is our neck, or this one is the face. This area is our body. Starts. This one is the middle of the, this is the throat, and we call it, in our English, it's a throat letters. Where it comes from here to here. This area is body to our face, and we divide it in three parts. This vocal tract, deep, middle, and upper. This one is middle. Upper is this one, where this goes here, and then deep is this area. So there are three areas where the letters come, and those letters are 6 letters. Today we are going to do 2 out of them, and those are called throat letters. One is, we are doing this one. It comes from the middle of the throat. It's called ha, ha. Sound is like this, and it's called ha, ha. So this one is this one. So this is the middle of the throat. How does it sound? Ha is sharp, voiceless sound. To make it gently, constrict the middle of your throat and push air out. Little bit push and air out. This is the sound. Easy way to feel it after jogging or running. The heavy breathing sound. To cool down, this is the sound of this letter. Then the second is, after drinking something you enjoy, the satisfied sound. That is the same sound too. Third one, when you fog up a mirror or glass or your iPhone, with your breath, you say, and that is the same sound also. So practice tip, place your hand on the middle of your throat, squeeze slightly, and blow out hot air while saying, that is the correct point of articulation. This one is, we are making it the place, this is here. So if it's a throat letter, this area is a middle of the throat, and this is where our body starts. The end of this one, this area is this is the higher area. This is, which are now 3 areas. One is upper, or you can say this is upper, this is the middle, and this one is deep. This is the deep area. And deep area, we will see which letters we are having there from there. And now today we are doing this one. This is in the middle. So this is coming from the middle. Now we are going to do the next letter is, that is a Same we learn already. This one are 3 letters, same shape, but one has this dot, this one is this one, which we are talking about, and this is coming middle of the our throat, so we call it throat letter. And the second one is, this one is the last one is having dot on the top, and it is called ha, ha, ha. And this ha is heavy letter, and this is also a throat letter. It's very easy to write also. Just put one dot on the ha, or you will have the ha. Where does it come from? Ha comes from the upper throat, the part near the top of the throat. This one, this area, upper area. Which one it comes? Ha. This is ha area. This is ha is this one area. This area, and ha is from there. How does it sound? Ha has a heavy sound. So beside being a throat letter, it's also one of the heavy letters. From the upper throat, make a heavy sound with slight friction, like a soft scraping in the throat. And how we get this sound easily? When I think whenever we do the gargles or we clear our sound of the throat, what we do? We do so this is the scratching sound of our throat, and it is closer to the sound of ha, ha, ha. So this is coming from our heavy sound and upper throat. So this has two titles. One is a throat letter and one is a heavy letter. So we will learn more heavy letters, but today this is the first heavy letter. Which one? It's a ha. How we write? Just one dot, and this is ha. And this one is very empty, no dot on it, and it is from the middle of the throat, and we call it throat letter, and sound like that is the ha sound. Very empty, and we can open our mouth. It comes from the middle of our throat. We press it a bit. This is ha sound. So practice it, practice writing it, and practice saying it. This is the origin of, we did both of the letters. One is and the other one is ha, 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 closer to our face, and that area is the very heavy letter of sound like our gargles, or it sounds like as we are clearing our throat when we are having something stuck in the throat, or we are having a cold or something like that, coughing. So we will do clear our throat, and that sound comes ha, ha, ha. That is the, so today we did these two letters. So we will see on the chart where they are. Let's try that. Where is that? They're here. So we are done till here. The first line is done. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, and then ha, ha. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters we are done with. We will do tomorrow the next, I think these two are also looks like. So we will do those, and that is today's lesson. I hope you learn to write and you learn to pronunciate it. See you tomorrow. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم.